Hello students, welcome to the biology online class. Children, all of you know that we are continuing chapter 2, that is nutrition in animals. In our previous class, we have learned about human digestive system. In the human digestive system, we see that our alimentary canal starts in our mouth or buccal cavity. Within the mouth, teeth and tongue are present. Okay. Today we will learn about teeth. Before food can be used by the body, all of you know that it must be broken down into small pieces. The first part of the breakdown of food is done by the teeth inside our mouth. We chew the food with the teeth and break it down mechanically into small pieces. There are 4 types of teeth present in our mouth. These are canines, molars, incisors and premolars. The upper part of a tooth, which we can see in the mouth, is called crown. In the picture you can see this portion is the crown. Okay, this white part is the crown. Okay, now the middle part of a tooth, which is inside the gums, is called neck. Okay, so this portion is the neck. Okay, this part is the neck, that means which is inside the gum, and the lower part of a tooth, which is embedded in the jawbone, is called its root. So in the picture you can see the crown, neck and root of a tooth. Okay, every tooth is held in a separate socket in the jaw. The white hard outer covering of a tooth is called enamel. The part of tooth below the enamel is called dentine. Dentine is like the bone. It is very much hard part. Inside the dentine is pulp cavity, which contains nerve and blood vessels. Now we will discuss about the different types of teeth one by one. I have already told you that is in our mouth there are 4 types of teeth, that is incisors, canine, premolar and molar. Now we will learn about those teeth. Okay, so first I will start with incisors. Incisors are the chisel shaped teeth at the front of the mouth. The incisors are for biting and cutting the food. There are 4 incisors in the center of each jaw. Next type is the canine. Canine are the large pointed teeth just behind the incisor. The canines are for piercing and tearing the food. That means these 2 sides, these teeth are there. Okay, these are the canine. The canine of the meat eaters animals like tiger, cat, dog. These are very large and pointed and sharp. I think all of you have seen the pointed sharp canine of a dog or cat. Okay, there are 2 canines in each jaw, one behind the left incisors and other behind the right incisors. Next type is the premolars. Premolars are present here. Okay, that is after the canines. Premolars are the large teeth just behind the canines on each side. Premolars have large flat surface. The premolars are for chewing and grinding the food. There are 4 premolars in a jaw, 2 on each side. It means this side 2 and this side 2, and same for the lower jaw also. Okay. Next type is the molars. Molars are very large teeth which are present just behind the premolars towards the back side of our mouth. Okay, the molars have a larger surface area than premolars. The function of molar is for chewing and grinding the food. There are 6 molars in each jaw, 3 on each side. That means this side 3 and this side 3 for the upper jaw, and same for the lower jaw also. That means in each jaw there are 6 molars. Okay. Molars are present only in the permanent set of teeth. Now I will discuss about, after some time I will discuss about the permanent set of teeth and the milk teeth, then it will be more clear to you. So these molars are only present in the permanent set of teeth and not present in the temporary set of teeth, which is also known as milk teeth. Now most of the adult men and women have a total of 32 teeth. Okay, of these 16 are in the upper jaw and 16 are in the lower jaw. The 16 teeth of each jaw consist of 4 incisors, which is in front, okay, then 2 canines, then 4 premolars and 6 molars. The teeth of upper jaw match with the teeth of the lower jaw. Now children, I will discuss about the milk teeth and the permanent teeth. Milk teeth is also known as the temporary teeth. In human beings, the teeth grow twice. First time the teeth grow when a person is a small baby or infant. This set of teeth is called milk teeth. These teeth are also known as the temporary teeth because the first set of teeth which grow during the infancy, they loosen and begin to fall off at the age between 6 and 8 years. Okay, when milk teeth fall off in a child, then another set of teeth grow in their place. So second time the teeth grow when one is a child. Okay, the second set of teeth is called permanent teeth, and these permanent teeth grow in place of milk teeth. The permanent set of teeth remains till the old age. But when old people lose their permanent teeth, then new teeth do not grow in that place. Okay. Now we will learn about tooth decay. If the teeth are not cleaned regularly, then tooth decay can take place. Now first we have to learn what is the meaning of tooth decay. Tooth decay is a process in which the tooth becomes rotten due to the formation of cavities. Okay, due to the formations of the cavities inside it, and it leads to toothache. Okay, tooth decay takes place when we do not clean our teeth and mouth after eating food. Then many harmful bacteria begin to grow and live on the teeth. These bacteria act on the sugar present in the leftover food particles, sticking to the teeth to form acid. The acid thus formed eats up the enamel and dentine of the tooth gradually and ultimately makes a cavity in the tooth. When this cavity reaches the pulp region, that is the pulp portions of the tooth which contains nerves, our tooth becomes painful and we get toothache. If the cavities caused by the tooth decay are not treated in time by a dentist, then it causes severe toothache. In extreme cases, tooth decay can lead to the loss of whole tooth because it may require extractions. Okay, so we have to take the proper care of the tooth. Children, all of us like to see a bright smiling face of each other, and for that a healthy set of teeth is very important. So we need to take the proper care of our teeth. So how we can prevent the tooth decay or how we can take the proper care? We should rinse the mouth thoroughly with clean water after every meal. Okay, next we should clean our teeth with a brush and toothpaste at least twice a day. Besides this, a dental floss should be used to take out food particles trapped between the teeth. Now, what is dental floss? Dental floss is actually a soft thread used to clean between the teeth. And we should eat less of sugary foods such as sweets, chocolates, toffees, and ice creams, etc. Too many cold drinks should also be avoided because this excessive use of this sugar containing food such as sweets, chocolate, toffees, ice cream and cold drinks etc. are the major cause of tooth decay. So children, we should take the proper care of our tooth. Okay. So children, today this much. We will meet in the next class. Thank you all. Stay safe.